Every cell in your body needs water to function. When you drink enough throughout the day, you're supplying the fluid your body needs for countless normal processes. After you swallow, water travels through your digestive tract. Much of the absorption happens in your small intestine, where water enters the circulation. Once absorbed, water travels through your bloodstream and helps maintain the fluid balance surrounding your cells, tissues, and organs. Your kidneys constantly monitor your body's fluid balance. They adjust how much water leaves your body while filtering waste from your blood. Good hydration also supports normal brain function and physical performance. When you're low on fluids, fatigue and difficulty concentrating may become more noticeable. You don't need to force huge amounts of water at once. Drink regularly and respond to your body's thirst throughout the day. Your body is working for you every second. Feed it wisely.